That is where the toll plaza should be for the Henry Hudson Parkway. It's not visible. In 36 years of living here, this is the worst storm.
Covers this part of the Bronx. DOT crews are out here sanding and salting the sidewalks after shoveling the snow. They say they've been out here since 6 o'clock in the morning and haven't stopped. They're doing 12.
Carolyn said that they plowed it around the corner. It's just right here that it's bad. What's that, 4 inches?
I
shall put
measure
a
it.
trusty stick in there. 4 inches.
Here's the hippy dippy weather girl. It is snowing in Riverdale. Interesting shapes. Marcel, do you need to?